team. Delinda Lyda here, Independent Scentsy Director, coming today to show you how to make a mobile office. What is a mobile office? Well, it's anything that you carry with you on the go. Now, I have a different couple of things that I can show you that might equal a mobile office. First of all, let's talk about your car. Making something to keep in your car at all times, just in case you're out and about and you see someone and you can immediately maybe take care of their needs. So you could get a box, you could get a crate, you could get a basket of any kind. Now I'm going to show you mine. This is an outdated one, but I'm going to show you what I got. Now, you do not need to get this fancy, but it's just a tote bag, and I'm going to show, it has some pockets, so I'll show you some of the things that I might keep in my mobile office, in my car, in the back of my car at all times, just in case that I have somebody that needs something. 1, light bulbs, all 3 sizes, or 4 even, because we have the Edison bulb now. Drawing slips. And, well, I'll talk about those in a minute. A lot of people do drawing slips when they're out and about to get somebody's information. And, like when they meet somebody new, they may get drawing slips as a way to ask for their information. But I'm going to tell you something. I don't do that. I'll tell you what I do. I don't like to meet strangers. I'll put this down for a minute and explain this. I don't like to meet strangers and immediately ask them to give me their information. It's wonderful if they would, to get their phone number, their email, and their address and all that. But I am more comfortable when I'm out and about meeting a stranger by pulling out my phone and saying, after I've talked for a minute, and say, hey, are you on Facebook? And usually they say, yeah. And I hit my Facebook app, and I hit search and say, find yourself. And so they find themselves, and I said, okay, I'm going to send you a friend request. When you get home, accept my friend request, and I'll add you to my VIP group so that you can know all the specials that's going on all the time. I would say 85% of the time, that works. And I make a note then later on of how I know this person. And but the only thing is, once I get them that way, unless they order through my website, I usually don't have their information otherwise. But there's other ways you can get that and ask for it later. Let's see. I have business cards in one of my little side pockets. Here's more light bulbs of different sizes. Okay, let's look inside my bag. I have a mini warmer. I have scent pods. Anything but wax. And I'll tell you why I don't keep wax. Because it melts. And I keep this year-round in my car. A bath bomb. What else could I have in here? Scent circles. Room sprays. I've got samples down here. I even have laundry samples. Okay. I have a clipboard with order form and an ink pen, just in case I run into somebody who says, oh, I'm needing blah, blah, blah. Join packets. I have a couple of join packets. I actually have sacks just in case they want some of this product. And I have catalogs, and I also have product lists. So that is some things. I have a room spray. Let's see what else is in here. Like I said, just things that you can keep that will not melt. So that is what I have in my mobile office. But if you don't want to carry or don't have room in your car for all this stuff, Another thing that I would consider a mobile office, besides a bag in your car, is a mobile office in your purse. Okay, what could I put in this? It's like a pencil bag, and it would be flat in my purse and hopefully not take up so much room, because my purse, if you're like me, is already so heavy. So heavy. Now, I might put a few testers in here because I'm carrying these in my purse. They probably will not be out in the elements that much. But you could put catalogs in here. You could put some order forms in here. You could also put host and join brochures. And you could put, instead of catalogs, because they're heavy, I always like the product lists. And so what I usually carry in mine, though, is I carry samples of the Scent of the Month and the Scent of the Month brochures, plus product list. And just so I don't get it all weighed down. And then when I run out, I refill it. So that is what a mobile office is. It can be however you want it, whatever you want it to be, and it's just something for on the go. When you're on the go, so that you always have something in hand to give a customer. So I hope that gave you some ideas, and I can't wait to see your mobile offices.